How are you going to scare them?
I'm going to scare the hiccups out of you.
Yeah.
Did it work?
Scared Nora. No. I'm not going to have another hiccup, no worries.
Because all the hiccups spread out your mouth.
Yeah, they got scared. They ran away.
Why did they get scared?
You scared them.
Nah, stop grabbing. I don't want you to rip my shirt.
No, she won't rip your shirt. Honey, she's not big enough to rip your shirt. She's just loving on you.
You fall.
Why does she keep... Here, use a blank.
Okay. Thank you.
Bad balance.
Well, somebody is 10.5 months old, so there you go. She can have another one if she wants.